Hello students! Today, we are going to explore the fascinating topic of how Earth has changed over time. Have you ever wondered how scientists know that Earth has changed throughout its history? Well, today we are going to dive into the evidence that supports this idea, including fossil evidence, plate tectonics, and superposition. Let's start with fossil evidence. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms that lived on Earth millions of years ago. By studying fossils, scientists can learn about the plants and animals that lived in the past and how they have changed over time. For example, by examining the fossil record, scientists have been able to trace the evolution of species and understand how life on Earth has evolved. Another piece of evidence that supports the idea that Earth has changed over time is plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is the theory that Earth's outer shell is divided into several plates that move and interact with each other. These plates can collide, move apart, or slide past each other, causing earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the formation of mountains. By studying plate tectonics, scientists can learn about the processes that have shaped Earth's surface over millions of years. Finally, let's talk about superposition. Superposition is the principle that in any undisturbed sequence of rock layers, the youngest rocks are on top and the oldest rocks are on the bottom. By studying the layers of rock in different locations, scientists can determine the relative ages of the rocks and the events that have shaped them. This allows scientists to piece together the history of Earth's geology and understand how the planet has changed over time. So, as you can see, there is a wealth of evidence that supports the idea that Earth has changed over time. From fossil evidence to plate tectonics to superposition, scientists have been able to piece together the history of our planet and understand how it has evolved over millions of years. It's truly amazing to think about how much Earth has changed and how much we can learn from studying its past. I hope this brief overview has sparked your interest in the topic of Earth's history and how it has changed over time. There is still so much more to learn and discover about our planet's past. And who knows what new evidence and discoveries will come to light in the future. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep asking questions about the world around you. The more we understand about Earth's history, the better equipped we will be to protect and preserve our planet for future generations. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Earth's fascinating history.